What's up everyone, and welcome to Robeytech, where I, Justin Robey, aka Robey 1 Kenobi, talk tech with you wonderful people. Now, why the heck are we talking about a professional grade camera on the show? Honestly, it's because Canon made this really cool video with a car photographer, Larry Chen, and we want an excuse to show it off because it has a twin turbo Lamborghini that shoots flames out its butt. Truth be told, tech is also definitely top notch. The new 1DX MKIII is Canon's new flagship DSLR that is capable of shooting 5.5K video, almost to 8K for Robeytech there, Brian, woohoo, at 60 FPS in RAW. I mean, could you imagine how good PC builds would look with this thing? Ooh, sexy. Now, using a larger 20.1 megapixel sensor that is designed for speed and reduces noise, the $6,500 camera, and that's just how much the body costs, by the way, is the king of camera castles in pretty much every aspect. It's amazing in low light and great with high-speed action thanks to the dual pixel focus mode. Now, Larry Chen went ham on a biscuit and literally shot using the camera for nearly 5 days straight, driving from one shoot to the next. No one can deny that the results speak for themselves. And with the camera coming out in February of this year, we might need to pre-order this thing. What do you think? What do you think, Brian? We should pre-order this? We should get it right away?
We should get two so we can have 11K.
That's right. If you add it together, you get 11K. And by the way, when you do pre-order it, Brian, check this out. It comes with a free 64 gig CF Express card and card reader. Bonus. I mean, what is that? Like, that's what, 20 bucks?
20 seconds worth of film.
Yeah, and 20 seconds worth of film. Okay, maybe we won't be pre-ordering it, but as always, when professional versions of cameras start pushing the bar higher, the more affordable cameras start to get better tech moving forward. And that's good news for streamers looking to make the switch to DSLR or mirrorless cameras rather than a webcam. Come on, guys, get with the times. Let's Canon cameras for everyone. We'll be like the Oprah. You get a Canon camera, you get a Canon camera. I don't know. I think we can afford half of. Now let us know what you thought about the CES coverage this year and CES in general in the comments below. Now, while you're down there, be sure to slap that subscribe button, whip that like button, and ring that notification bell so you get a notification each and every time we post a new video. Also, head on over to mixer.com/Robey1Kenobi and give us a follow over there for our live show every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific. Also, be sure to drop us a follow over on Twitter and Instagram at Robey1Kenobi. And hey, we're on Facebook. Hello, 1984. We're over on Facebook at facebook.com/Robeytech. Thank you so much for watching. Now, go play some games or go look at some weird tech because there's lots more CES coverage coming up. #BeefyCores.